Hello friends, so let us do today's the Hindu newspaper analysis, very quick analysis. Basically, this will help you to analyze today's news, today's important news and important current affairs. Whenever you are reading, it will uh, it will give sense of recognition in your mind, that you know about this topic, and that will help in maintaining long-term memory in your mind. Okay, so without any further delay, let us start. What is today's main important news? Okay, relevant for UPSC CSE exam. As you can see, today date is 17th of June 2023, Saturday. On first page there is a news regarding cyclone Biparjoy. Friends, since last 3-4 days I am saying it is a very good example of for GS3 disaster management and disaster preparedness. Okay, we can use it there because after shifting nearly 70,000 people and preparedness of so much early preparedness, we are able to having so much low casualty rate, 2 deaths and 23 people were injured. Although even one person's life is precious, but we must really appreciate our NDRF teams and whole machinery's effort in preventing such a disaster. Okay, now on our editorial page, this is main thing, that is maintaining tension. Criminal case should not be allowed to take communal color. Yes, we can use it in GS2 society, that criminal case, sometime we can see there are criminal case between two particular people. Okay, but they try to give it a communal color, so we should not do this. Okay, so it's just a normal line, it can use anywhere at as an example. Okay, now warming ocean make it harder to forecast cyclone in Arabian Sea. Okay, this statement can comes in prelims exam in forms of a statement, true or false, only one true, only two, that type of statements. Okay, one interesting thing on this question has come in UPSC, that is Arabian Sea has seen fewer cyclone historically because relatively colder sea surface temperature. Okay, this thing. Yes, and this is India. This is Bay of Bengal, and this is Arabian Sea. This is India. This is Gujarat. This is Kashmir, and this is northeast states. So here are less cyclone, here are more. Reason being, its temperature is more and its temperature is less compared to this. Okay, that's fine. What is here? The winds in upper. Okay, for cyclone what matters? Two things mainly. First is upper winds, and second is, suppose cyclone originate in sea, so sea surface. First is this, second thing is sea surface temperature. It provides, sea surface temperature provides cyclone. What it provides? It provides strength. Okay, and yes, and wind provide direction. Okay, so this is on world news. In business, to mention, if somewhere some place they will ask in exam, especially in GS mains, some problems in this sector, financial or in this GST related, so you can write identity theft. I mean, people take other person's identity to register a business, and fake billing, for creating fake billing to evading GST tax. Okay, so this is not a good thing, and government is trying its effort to stop it. So this was today's main news from the Hindu, relevant for you to achieve your goal, that is becoming IAS officer. If any person in your friends, family, or you yourself who is preparing for any competitive exam, or IAS, UPSC, CSC, then this newspaper will be very relevant. So please subscribe this channel. Thank you.